Good morning, everyone. This is a story about Zeus, our vehicle.
He's just said Zeus and we had to cut it out. No, it's fine. It's fine. Anyway, so you can start.
Okay, I'll start again. Good morning, everybody. This is our story about Zeus, our vehicle.
That's right. We found Zeus, the vehicle. We found a post on Facebook. There's a lady called Marlene who drove all the way from Cape Town to Greece in this vehicle by herself. That is in itself was an epic. And we saw it. It was a good price. It looked good. It's quite an old vehicle with I think it was nearly 300,000 on the clock.
Mm-hmm.
And we decided to go for it because
Sight unseen. We hadn't seen it, so we bought it, which we thought was very brave, and so did everyone else.
Yeah.
But this is a story about what we found when we got here to pick it up.
But before that, we actually had quite a big epic trying to get all the paperwork sorted. It was really, we had to jump through a lot of hoops to actually register it in our name, registration documents, etc. And that's why paperwork, and that's why we ended up having it registered as an NR car in our hometown. And that's how we got on the road. And this is the story about us meeting Zeus for the first time. So we packed up a whole lot of camping equipment, which we already had at home, which was much better than spending the euros with that shocking rand exchange rate. And this had amounted to about 90 kgs, which was mind-blowing because we normally travel so light and keep things really simple.
In ancient Greek mythology, Zeus was the king of all the gods. He's god of the sky and the lightning. He's god of thunder, law and order, and justice. His symbols were a thunderbolt, a scepter, an oak tree, and his sacred animals were the eagle and the bull. We loved the name, and so we decided to keep it.
When we did get there to finally unveil Zeus, we found that the covers had been completely stuffed up by this very harsh Mediterranean sun. And so all that effort to get him wrapped up while he was waiting for us was all a bit of a waste of time. Arrived, and there's all our baggage that we bought, all the tools, and here is Jeremy's first look at Zeus the Bucky. What do you think, Jigs?
I think it looks amazing.
It's all looking good, nice and clean, some blankies. There's the outside. I mean, this is the cook area. There's gas. There's the potential bed, but looks very small. A water bottle. That's where we're going to put pots and pans and plates and things. And there you go. felt really weird driving a right-hand vehicle on the right-hand side of the road. Side of the road?
You are on the right side of the road, the right and right.
Oh my god, we're driving in Greece!
Woohoo!